Many traders approach SPX 0DT options through trial and error, trying different ideas, different entries, different ways to manage the trades, and just hoping something starts to work. I've been through that process. Over time, you realize that most of it just doesn't hold up when you're trading it live. I'm Tim, founder of SPX Option Trader, and what we do here isn't based on backtesting or theory or trial and error. It's a structured approach built from live trading across years of different market conditions. And you can see those decisions play out in real time as trades are taken and managed. Now, each day starts with a defined plan, and everything that follows comes from that plan. Now, let me show you what that looks like. This is from an actual trading day. Each trading day begins with a daily outlook. It's published shortly after the open. This is where the direction, key levels, and trade plan are laid out. Now, we trade both SPX and SPY options, and you can see both contracts are outlined here. The entry, stop, and target prices are all defined before the trade is ever taken. This example is from the daily outlook strategy, which is the core approach that we use each morning. At this point, the plan has already been posted. Contract, entry, stop, and target were all defined in the daily outlook before the trade was ever taken. And when conditions support the setup, we post that the trade has been entered, as we did here. Then we follow up with the exact entry price so you can see precisely where the trade was taken. So instead of guessing when to act, you're seeing the decision as it happens. Now here, the trade is entered shortly after the open. From there, the position is managed in real time, and you can see the updates being posted as conditions change. Risk is actively adjusted throughout the entire trade. And here, you see the stop moves from focusing on a key level to 30% trailing stop, and to 20% trailing stop, and then to 10%. So instead of trying to manage the trade on your own, you're seeing these decisions play out as they actually happen in real time. Then the position is closed, completing the trade. That entire process, from the initial plan to the entry to the way the trade is managed, all happens in real time. It's not just about having an idea of direction. It's about having a defined approach before the trade and then managing it as conditions change. And that's what separates this from trying to figure it out all on your own. At SPX Option Trader, every day begins with a daily outlook. And that plan gives you the levels that we are watching, the trade setup, and the risk we are defining before the trade is ever taken. But it doesn't just stop at the outlook. When conditions support the setup, the trade is communicated in real time. And from there, updates are posted as the trade is managed. Now, some sessions don't produce a valid setup, and when that happens, a no trade alert is issued. But when a trade is taken, you can see the process unfold in real time, from plan to entry to management and finally to exit. Okay, you've seen what we offer and what it looks like from an actual trading day. That was one strategy. We have 4 different strategies available each day. Each one is a structured way to approach 0DTE options built from years of actually trading it. You don't have to keep working through this process on your own. You can see how trades are planned, taken, and managed as it's happening in real time. SPX Option Trader started in 2016, and every trade is on the website so you can see the results over time. And if you want to experience a live trading session, then start with the free 7-day trial.